Oh man, here we go again, guys. Palantir stock is defying the laws of gravity, and just when you thought the head and shoulders was going to play out, well, Palantir had different thoughts. The bulls are here. We're breaking out. We're pushing $64 per share. And guys, we're up over 4% right now. So we have to break down the charts, do an update, go over what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, get your free stocks for Moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer deal. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, man, this stock is going ballistic yet again. And before you guys say, Stas, weren't you saying it's going to sell off, this, that, you're a bear, what are you doing? First of all, I'm not a bear. You guys know that. I'm long. I'm a bull. I think long term the stock is going to do very well. But my job here on YouTube is, well, partly my job is to break down the charts, what's going on in the real time, what's going on in the short term, and we try and see what could happen, right? And what the charts were telling us yesterday, the day before, were, or was, whatever the grammar is here, what the charts were telling us, we had a head and shoulders, right? We had a bearish pattern. And technically, I guess we still technically have one. But with the price action today, man, we're slowly breaking out of the neckline. So instead of PLTR, seeing this head and shoulders play out, let me draw it out for you guys quickly so we can see what we're dealing with right here. We have the left shoulder, got the head right here, boom, got the right shoulder right here. So instead of this playing out, dumping down to 61, 60, going under $60, as of now, guys, we are breaking out of the neckline, which I talked to you guys about extensively in my video yesterday and the one before that. The neckline is at about $63 to $63.30. And mind you, right now, PLTR is trading over $64 per share. So clear as day, we are breaking out of the neckline. And yeah, pretty much the head and shoulders is out the window. Not fully yet, but man, we are looking great. Now we're at $64.11. And you guys got to realize before you get mad at me like, oh, you're a bear, you're this, you're that, we break down the day-to-day price action, guys, and I'm going to tell you what it is, how it is, and I'm not going to be biased. You know, whether it's a bearish chart, a bullish chart, we're going to break it down how it is, and this is what it's looking like. You know, we did have that head and shoulders, the descending triangle in the right shoulder. We had that as well, but now we're breaking out. It is what it is. We're looking good now. The bulls have prevailed, at least as of now, right? And on the 20-day chart, you guys are noticing we're getting a nice clean cut bounce off the 180 SMA here at about $60, $61. We held that this morning in the pre-market, and we launched off of it. I mean, guys, look at the intraday chart here. We consolidated all pre-market at about 61, 61.50, and then right at open, we had a big move, man. We opened up at 61. Buyers came in. Volume kicked up. We ripped all the way to 63. Saw a pull down. Retested 61.50, 61.75. Held a higher low. And we then ripped for the rest of the day up until now when I'm making this video. So we are looking very good. And we still have a couple hours left of trading today. I actually can't really film much later in the video, so I got to actually film these videos today more towards the first half of the day. But either way, guys, we're looking phenomenal on PLTR again. The bulls are back, if you will, right now. I mean, they didn't really leave or go anywhere. I guess they were just chilling the last couple of days. But yeah, now we're breaking out of that $63.30, $63 resistance, and we're pushing over $64 per share. I'm pumped. I'm loving it. And now, honestly, man, the next spot we could be going to is, let's see here, $65.30 roughly. That looks like it was the high from a week ago. Last Friday, we hit intraday about 65.30. Then on Monday, we hit 67.40 in the morning, which obviously is an all-time high for the stock. It's the all-time high. So that could be where we go as well. So now that we're breaking out of 63, 63.30, looks like we're trying to fill the gap. Let me clear the drawing set to give you guys a better visual. Looks like we're trying to fill the gap here now. Let me draw this out. You guys see this right here. And then from there, again, all-time highs could be where we go, $67.40. Let me get the circle tool out so you guys can see. This is where we're at now, trading in this window, and then from there, we could be going here. So PLTR, what are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. We're looking really good right now. And by the way, join the email list if you haven't done so already. Every Monday for free, I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks right to your email. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below. Make sure to go and get in there, guys. Much appreciated. There's a lot of value, and there's no spam, no BS, none of that in that email list, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to PLTR for this video. We're looking great across the board on the indexes for the most part. QQQ is slightly in the red now, but we do have all the other ones in the green, with other stocks moving like, Nike's making a decent move today, although the chart doesn't look so great. It looks like, though, it is starting to break out potentially, but we're still very much in a downtrend here on Nike, and it looks like the Head and Shoulders on Nike played out. So this one's moving a little bit, up almost 3% on the day today. Looks like Coinbase is up as well, which I'm not surprised. What else is new? Looks like here we got a double top at about 340. We sold down to about 300. That's kind of where we're at now, up a little bit over 2% on the day. So keep your eyes on Coinbase. It looks like GME is also moving, guys, up 1.5%. If I extend this to the right, boom and boom, you guys can see we're pretty much right in this window right now. The stock's holding about 28 bucks. Maybe it makes a move again back to about 30. Maybe ultimately 30 bucks breaks. That could be in the cards here soon. Earnings are coming up on GME. It looks like early December on the 4th. So guys, get ready. GME might be getting ready for another big move. So that's up on the day. Looks like stocks like, what are some other movers today, guys? We got Rivian, we got Enphase. Those two are moving, which they're more speculative. They've been all over the place, but it looks like Rivian is trying to get back to where it was after earnings came out, where the stock got to about 13. Now we're at $10, so maybe we get back there on Rivian. And what's the other one that I mentioned? Enphase, which it's been struggling, but it's up around 3.5% on the day. Not too bad for EMPH. So let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments. Make sure to run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe, do all that good stuff, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. The deal's not going to be for much longer, guys. Check out the link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal is a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.